Hey, welcome to Our American Travel. I am Melanie. Al's over here with the camera, and we're here today to tell you about Craighead Forest Park in Jonesboro, Arkansas. This is a gem of a park with a campground that has 41 sites. It's 692 acres on one side of a town that's about 70,000. So we're talking about a good-sized town, and it's just a beautiful, gorgeous park to come to walk around. There's so many amenities, I had to list them, and I've got to check them out. They've got 6 large pavilions, 11 small pavilions, basketball, bike and running trails, bird watching, camping, disc golf, fishing, horseshoes, playgrounds, softball, and volleyball. And you're gonna like it. Hope you enjoy our video. Hey, this is one of the playgrounds at the park. They're all handicap accessible. You notice you got swings over there for kids in wheelchairs or with disabilities. We've got slides. We've got all kinds of rock climbing wall. You think I should do that rock climbing wall?
I think you might break something.
I think I could do it.
Well, go for it. You can get in there. This could be humorous. You gonna go down it or up it? Okay. Here we are. Here's the big kid. Yeah, we do. Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
What show's account?
It's called Our American Travel.
Our American Travel?
Yes, sir. Take a look. We kind of do campground reviews and
Hey, this is AstroTurf.
and there's some AstroTurf down here.
Our American?
OUR American Travel. And we do camper reviews and things like that. This is hilarious over here. Did you find it?
Is there spaces or no spaces?
Nope. You can put @ Our American Travel. It should pop right up in YouTube.
So this is one of the fishing lakes. This is the family fishing lake, and I did read on youth fishing lake, sorry, where they're having like a fishing derby. But I read that the lakes are stocked with brim, crappie. What was the other? Crappie. What was the other ones?
Bass. I don't know.
Bass. Trout in the winter, tilapia in the summer, and this one is stocked more often. My husband said he had heard that the rest of the lake isn't stocked very well, but this one they said is stocked more often. If you're wondering, 2.5 miles seems like a long time and you might need to go to the bathroom. There's several bathroom facilities along the way. Here's one on the other side of the lake. There was one way over there.
The bandstand here.
Yeah, we're coming up on another playground, an amphitheater area. So let's go check it out.
Here she goes, checking out the playground. She's pretty serious about her playgrounds. She spends a lot of time in swings and slides, climbing on rock walls.
I need to ride the horse there, okay?
And then she likes these. She's gonna run, so I can't keep up with her. This is Fort Rotary.
Oh man, these go far.
Well, that's because some people weigh more than little bitty kids.
Yes, we did learn yesterday in my science class that force equals mass times acceleration. The greater the mass, Whatever. That doesn't fit the situation. All right.
There's lots of acceleration going on, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, big mass.
Big mass.
Kind of muddy.
It is very muddy.
Yeah, I don't bother him at all, does it?
Oh no, now he does. It went into his toes.
A little squishy.
That is a tricky ladder to climb.
Coming down the slide?
Well,
Let's don't do it.
yeah, I was like, I don't want to go up that ladder. I'm trying to follow right.
Okay. I'm kind of scared for you.
We'll be like Clark and squeeze the edges a little bit. We got a mallard here taking a bath. There's the rest of the family over here. Oh, I am so close, but I can hardly even see it on the camera. There he goes. Beautiful. Am I doing this wrong? Hey. The rest of the family. I am walking up to the area where dogs have their own private lake where they can go in the water. You see a few of them out there swimming. Oh, look, they're having so much fun. Got a couple over here. So it's fenced, they don't have to have a leash right here. And they can go swimming. Hey puppies! Hey doggies, you're so cute. Yes you are. Hello buddy. He's a cute dog. Let me see you get in the water. Oh, there goes some others. I love dogs. Oh, hey. One of the things we like about Craighead Forest Park, we've been staying here for a week, is the walking trails. They have got 2.4 miles of walking trails. It's chat that goes all the way around the lake. If you turn around, you can see the lake. It's beautiful. It's a sunny day. It's just really, really nice. Oh, we've got geese over here. You see the geese? There's also, if you go around the main road, it's 2.9 miles of asphalt. So it's a really great place to get some exercise in a beautiful area, in a safe area.
I don't know if these little ducklings here,
Little goslings.
little goglins, are going to be happy. The mother's going to be happy when we walk close to her goglings here. She may be fierce. Although they're probably pretty used to people because a lot of people come out here. So
They're hissing at us. Okay, we're going to stay away from your sweet baby.
So we can kind of see out across the lake here. There's some pavilions and playgrounds, and we're going to go over to that here in just a second, and a bathroom facility. So we're going to go over that in a second.
Hey, here I am. This is public boat ramp right here, so you can take boats out on the lake during daylight hours. They cannot go more than 5 miles per hour.
There's the rules.
Yeah, here's the rules. Rod or pole fishing only, no wake. Get your life jacket on. So that's pretty nice. I mean, it's within minutes of just about everywhere in Jonesboro, so I mean 15 minutes. Bring your boat.
So here at Craighead Forest, along the outer trail, the paved trail, there are several exercise stations, which you won't find me at very often. So you can see they've got like a little ab crunch thing and kind of a step up, hop up type bench. They have some kind of dip bars and I guess kind of a vertical monkey bar kind of thing. And then they have this little stepper over here that's in the flood. Maybe I'll get on the stepper, maybe that won't hurt me too much. All the other things kind of do. And then they actually have a spot where you can go and have videos for this.
Really?
Play.
Oh, you can upload them?
lsi.com/HB. And anyway, you can get a little extra exercise here, but we're walking anyway. So, and there's apparently down here there's a resistance dial, that you can dial up the resistance a little bit. But I'm gonna leave that alone. That's enough resistance for me. What do you think?
I think that's good. And this one it shows is wheelchair accessible. So it's wide and it's lower. So that's pretty cool. The park is very pet friendly, but you do have to keep your pet on a leash. There's one area where it's just a dog swimming area. We'll show that in a few minutes.
We're down to 36% on it. Nope.
This is one of 6 pavilions that you can rent here at Craighead Forest Park. Really nice, covered metal roof. Pretty awesome.
Okay.
Here's one of the 11 small pavilions that you can use on a first come first served basis. There is a access parking from the main road. You want to have a picnic on a Saturday morning? Breakfast, let's go.
Right next to a small pier.
Yeah, so we got a grill here, you got everything you need.
And then there's another small pavilion across the way over there. So.
But you have to get here first, I guess, in order to
Yeah,
have
first
it.
come, first serve.
Yeah, but they're free.
Good price.
Good.
Hey, thanks for coming along on our trip to Craighead Forest. We hope you enjoyed our video. Hope you guys will come. If you come through Jonesboro, you'll check out this campground. Great place to stay for a week or two if you're visiting someone here. And if not, if you're just coming through, a great place. So anyway, we'd love it if you would like and subscribe to our video. Maybe hit the notification button. That way you will be updated on our next episode. So thanks for stopping by.